Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best winter greenhouses available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Quictent Winter Greenhouse. It makes greenhouse more airtighted and secure, just bury it in the soil, easy way but useful. This 2 doors can be completely opened and rolled up with ropes. That makes bigger operating space and better ventilation, easy to set up and pretty stable. This mini greenhouse offers the perfect solution for those smaller gardens that cannot accommodate a conventional greenhouse. It can protect your plants from too much heat or cold, shield plants from dust and gale, and help to keep out animal. It has a strong powder-coated steel frame and transparent PE cover with zips for easy access and ventilation. This high-quality tubular steel frame ensures long working life in all weathers. This pretty durable PP connector and stable construction protect your plants from bad weather. At number 5 we have Eagle Peak Winter Greenhouse. This innovative easy setup technology allows you to set up this greenhouse with ease. Eagle Peak pop-up greenhouse is ready straight out of the box. When it is time to store or transport your greenhouse, it glides closed just as easily as it goes up. This Eagle Peak pop-up greenhouse is ready for use right out of the box with absolutely no assembly or tools required. Because of the pre-assembled frame, it is more convenient than ever before to transport and store. It is perfect for use indoors and outdoors, and being able to transport this greenhouse as the seasons change. That makes it easy to extend the growing period of your plants and to see your garden thrive year-round. At number 4 we have Eagle Peak Winter Greenhouse. This portable greenhouse is easy to assemble and disassemble, no tools required. It comes with a zippered roll-up door for easy access and 4 casters for moving it as the seasons change. The durable PE cover retains heat to extend plant growing seasons. It is perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It's structured with high-grade powder-coated metal tubes, and durable connectors combine the whole frame, and loops connect the cover to the frame. This 100% waterproof and UV protected, traps in heat with maximum solar performance to keep the inside of the greenhouse warm and extend plant growing seasons. At number 3 we have Amarlife Winter Greenhouse. It is made of heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame. It is equipped with 4 extra wind ropes and hooks suitable for indoor-outdoor use. This outer UV protected PE covered to protect plants or seeds from serious weather like high temperature, strong wind or rain. This PE greenhouse cover can stop plant seeds or fragile plants from frost, excessive heat, and keep internal moisture. Each steel shelf has 33 pounds capacity for holding plants, total 4 tiers, which can place at least 12 plant pots. This mini greenhouse has high quality zipper and 2 ribbon ties to secure the door, stay open for easy watering and free ventilation. It is easy to set up and break down without any tools. Installation manual is included. This lightweight and mini greenhouse easy to carry and store. At number 2 we have Myoil or Winter Greenhouse. It comes with the zippered roll-up door, regulate external airflow to keep the plants warm and provide better air circulation for the plants. This extra wind ropes and ropes for getting more stable greenhouse. Each tier can hold about 33 pounds plants. This mini greenhouse indoor has high quality zipper and 2 ribbon ties to secure the door, stay open for easy watering and free ventilation. All the connectors are marked with letters that correspond to the letters in the assembly. The cover of greenhouse for plant is water resistant, UV protected thick polyethylene, which is non-toxic and odorless, designed to trap in heat with maximum solar performance. It is to keep the inside of the greenhouse warm to extend plant growing seasons. At number 1 we have WildGreen Winter Greenhouse. This portable greenhouse featured 2 large zippered roll-up entrance design. It roll up with ropes, bigger operating space make access more convenient. It provide optimum air circulation and great for moving plant. This high-quality PE material is more environmentally friendly than PVC material, non-toxic and odorless, which can prevent the harm from UV and bad weather, but offering the best solar performance. That's keep heat and internal moisture, will nourish your plants very well. It is constructed with heavy-duty powder-coated steel pipes, make greenhouse frame more sturdy. The connectors and ropes make it sturdy and firmly. This fixed stakes are provided to ensure better stability. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best winter greenhouses for your need.